Learning letters is so much fun. Come and sing with everyone. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn the alphabet with a song. A is for apple. A, apple. A, apple. A is for apple. B is for baby. B, baby. B, baby. B is for baby. C is for candy. T, candy. Key, candy. C is for candy. D is for dog. D, dog. D, dog. D is for dog. E is for elephant. E, elephant. E, elephant. E is for elephant. F is for fish. F, fish. F, fish. E is for fish. G is for glasses. G, glasses. G, glasses. G is for glasses. H is for hand. H, hand. H, hand. H is for hand. I is for ice cream. I, ice cream. I, ice cream. I is for ice cream. J is for jelly. J, jelly. J, jelly. J is for jelly. K is for keyboard. K, keyboard. K, keyboard. K is L is for ladybug. L, ladybug. L, ladybug. L is for ladybug. M is for monkey. M, monkey. M, monkey. N is for jelly. N is for needle. N, needle. N, needle. N is for needle. O is for orange. O, orange. O, orange. O is for orange. P is for pony. P, pony. P, pony. P is for pony. Q is for queen. Q, queen. Q, queen. Q is for queen. R is for rainbow. R, rainbow. R, rainbow. R is for rainbow. Learning letters is so much fun. Come and sing with everyone. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn the alphabet with a song. S is for spider. S, spider. S, spider. S is for spider. T is for tiger. T, tiger. T, tiger. T is for tiger. U is for umbrella. U, umbrella. U, umbrella. U is for umbrella. V is for violet. V, violet. V, violet. V is for zebra. W is whale. W, whale. W, whale. W is for whale. X is for xylophone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. X, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Y, yo-yo. Y is for yo-yo. Z is for zebra. Z, zebra. Z, zebra. Z is for zebra. Learning letters is so much fun. Come and sing with everyone. Clap your hands and sing along. Let's learn the alphabet with a song.